In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your monitor refresh rate on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the Start menu and type in Settings. Best result should come back with Settings. Go ahead and select that. Select System on the left panel, and then select Display over here on the right. And then scrolling down underneath related settings, select advanced display, and then selecting the monitor you want to change the settings for up at the top. Just scrolling down, once you've done that, choose the refresh rate. You can click the drop down and select any options that your monitor supports. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope those will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.